Nakabenta banya yalam ya ke jinglai lo bat ban keren nakabenta kinong Tiban Usandesh Meshram Regional Convener Western Region 1 Maharashtra bat Goa ka Kurgrom nakabenta ka Doba kinong Tiban ha India ula penlong da ka jingilam da ka banya cycle hadu andreutuli ki jan jagaran yatra habayatu shipangani habakren shigilat pathai kubor umeshram uang baula sedang yikene ke jingnya cycle habumla kaput katiban ha Arunachal Pradesh ha khandai tarik no pra arjar arpusan bat un penkot pan ha Shillong ha khandai tarik ramphang arjar arpunreu ha kabakane ke jingya lenti jongu daga cycle kalong malu mala arjar rius pa 100 kilometer kibakin thom ia ki lai jila ka Arunachal Pradesh Assam bat Meghalaya bat kane kadai langru bat ka jing rakhe ia ka snem jong ka jingle isen a ulaong baka kenhun kinong Tiban ha India kilaya perta ban pelai lot ia ka Tiban bat ban yadaru ia ka India ula ia thuru ba ha ki sandali ki jan jagaran cycle yatra kaba ula pendep menshwa ulanya eka cycle hadu khat prajar kilometer met da kaba ya hadu shipautali ki jilla da kaba ong bakane ka jingle jungu kalong ka jing persno thu sha ki nong India ya ka kaba jia ha khaput ka Tiban ban nakabenta ka sok ka sign hakine ki jaka
Read the press release of Mr. Sandeep Meshram of Tibet Support Group. Paddling for Freedom, Speaking for Tibet, 6th Jan Jagran Cycle Yatra started from Tawang, December 9, 2025, and it ends at Shillong, February 9, 2026. Bumla Tawang, December 9, 2025, while human rights situation in Tibet continued to deteriorate under the government of China, I, Sandesh Sharma, Regional Convener, Western Region, Maharashtra and Goa, Co-Group for Tibetan Cause, India. I'm embarking on the 6th Jan Jagran Cycle Yatra, Paddling for Freedom, Speaking for Tibet, beginning at Bumla, Tibet border in Arunachal Pradesh on December 9, 2025, and ending at Shillong, Meghalaya on January 28, 2026. The journey, covering approximately 2,604 kilometers and 3 states, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, is also a gesture celebrating the occasion of the Year of Compassion. Before Tibet's annexation, there was no instance in history of Chinese forces being deployed along the Himalayas. The disappearance of natural buffer between China and Tibet had a tremendous effect on their relationship. Within few years of Tibet's forcible occupation, China waged a bloody war with India. The shadow of 1962 Himalayan conflict is still clouding the Sino-Indian relationship. The recent case of Shanghai airport detention of Arunachal Pradesh, Pema Wangzom Thondok, dated November 26, 2025, and China's refusal to recognize Arunachal Pradesh and declaring the region as Zhangnan is an example of existing conflict in Sino-India relation. Free Tibet, Save Tibet, Tibet ki Azadi, Bharat ki Suraksha, and similar slogans have been raised by Indian Tibet Support Group and individuals since 1959, and we are still carrying the movement forward. In last 5 Jan Jagran Cycle Yatra, I have paddled 18,000 kilometers approximately, covering around 10 states, namely Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Sikkim, West Bengal, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Kerala in years 2014, 2016, 2017, 2020 and 2021. Fourth Yatra was completed in 2 phases due to worsening health of After paddling for 7,500 kilometers from Dharamshala, Himachal Pradesh to Mangur, Karnataka in 2022 and 2023. My paddling has been a humble gesture, raising awareness among the general Indian public about the dire situation prevailing in India's neighbor Tibet. My voice, rooted in sustenance of the historical bond between the Tibetan cause and Tibetan supporters, speaks for the revival of freedom in Tibet, the revival of India's longest period peaceful border. This is the press release issued by Mr. Sandesh Mishra. Thank you.
शिलोंग इसलिए समाप्त करने में आया क्योंकि यहाँ एक हमारा तिब्बती समुदाय है, उन्हीं से मिलना भी होता है और उसी वजह से शिलोंग को हमने फिक्स की।
Mr. Sandeep just expressed that he chose to select Shillong because there is a considerable Tibetan living in Shillong, so he just ended his cycle yatra here at Shillong.
When is his next journey again? Public journey. When does he plan for his next journey?
Now he will take break. This is his sixth cycle yatra, which commences from Mumla in Arunachal Pradesh and ends at Shillong. This is the sixth one. He has completed till today six yatra. Jan Jagran cycle yatra.
7th will start for October, November.
I think he is assuming that maybe he will soon start 7 cycle yatra coming this year, September or October, right?
And what are the places of interest that he's planning to travel?
वो फेसिस क्या है बोल रहे हैं वो 7 में अब कौन से स्टेट
सिक्किम से महाराष्ट्र के लिए
from Sikkim to Maharashtra. For the freedom of Tibet and before annexations of Tibet by the China, the border between the Tibet and India is very peaceful. Now that scenario is not exist today. China's this one. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? China's how to yes.
Annex.
China annexed Tibet. Now the border is controlled by China. There is a lot of force deployed in the border area. Before Tibet was independent, there was no border police also. The border is very peaceful. Now it's not peaceful more. So that is the main. And also he wants to convey Tibet's struggle to the common people of India. Most people, general public, they don't know about Tibet. So he just want to enlighten them, the Tibetan struggle.
मैं संदेश मिश्रा उर्फ समथिंग एसी रीजनल कन्वीनर कोर ग्रुप फॉर तिब्बतन कॉज महाराष्ट्र एंड गोवा। आज का ये पत्रकार परिषद लेने का मुख्य उद्देश्य था कि ये मेरी छठी साइकिल जन जागरण साइकिल यात्रा थी जो बुमला पास से शुरू होकर बुमदिला अपना वहाँ से बुमदिला के बाद में तेजिंगांव, ईटानगर, टूटिंग, गेलिंग से तेजू मेहू होते हुए कल आपके शिलोंग पहुंचेंगे। इस यात्रा का मुख्य उद्देश्य था तिब्बत की आज़ादी, भारत की सुरक्षा। और ये यात्रा परम दलाई लामा जी के करुणा 90वें जन्मदिवस के उपलक्ष्य में जो करुणा वर्ष मना रहे, ये यात्रा उन्हीं को समर्पित थी। ये यात्रा अरुणाचल से निकालने का एक ही मकसद था क्योंकि परम दलाई